Good morning, what's up? It's Seth with SethPerler.com. Today I'm going to talk about the purpose of education. I always talk about this because I think it's such, when you're talking about what kids need, it's so important to really reflect and back up and say, what are we doing here in the first place? Because a lot of times we just get caught up in curriculum and in jumping through hoops and bureaucratic necessities and things like that we kind of lose track of what we're doing. So I like to back up to what is the purpose? What are we doing here? So I also like to think about, when I'm talking about the purpose of education, where does this word come from, the etymology? And it comes from the Latin educare, and educare means to raise or to bring forth or to bring forward. And when we think about the words that we use when we talk about our kids, we bring up our kids, we raise our kids. Why do we say we raise our kids, we bring up our kids? It's because we are bringing them up to be able to have a happy and successful adult life. That's the point of it. We want to raise them to that point. Now, it used to be that when they were 18, they graduate and they're ready for life. They graduate high school with the skills they need to have a career for the rest of their life. Obviously, it's not like that anymore. So, we need to raise them or bring them up to have a happy and successful life in a very, very different world. So that's the purpose of education. Well, that makes it a lot easier to then ask the question, are we meeting that purpose? Are these kids getting what they need? And as you can see, people really struggle to be adults in this world. They struggle financially, they struggle with responsibility. They are not ready at 18 or after high school or college to launch their life. They say that now adolescence now lasts till they're about 30 years old. So it's a much longer adolescent life. So really need to think, what do they need in this world, and is education providing it? And if it isn't, how are we going to get them what they need? So I hope that was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.